Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to make your songs smoothly transition between each other on Spotify desktop and your mobile phone app. Firstly, desktop, go to top right corner to your profile picture, go to settings, scroll down until you see playback. Here, turn on Crossfade songs and a bar will appear. I recommend putting it on 5 to 7 seconds for the smoothest transitions. Then the next option, Auto Mix, if we turn this on, it's gonna allow seamless transitions between songs. It's gonna act like our automatic DJ. Now for your mobile, open your Spotify app, click on your profile picture in the top left corner, go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you see Playback. Here, you can choose the crossfade as well as on the desktop. I recommend putting it on 5 to 7 seconds. You can also turn on gapless, which means it's going to be much smoother between the transitions of your songs. And Automix, it's the same as on the desktop.